Well, this man here likes rescuing broken things.
Does not.
So that, do you see that one down there that's parked up on top of that truck?
That one was risky.
That one was on top of that truck at one point.
Right, okay.
He rescued it from under a tree.
Anything else on the floor? Pick up paper, rubbish, all the stuff that's all the offcuts and crap that's just been chucked around.
What are you going to do when you're older? Are you? What kind of stuff?
He does his worst than
Did you hear what he said? I said, what are you going to do when you're older? He said, I'm going to fix stuff. I said, what? He said, cars and other things.
Really? Well, we'll see about that. We'll soon put that idea out of his head. I want him to be a professor. A doctor. Yeah, you're right, that's true. Right then, okay, so we're having a bit of a tidy up now, and I've got to go do things, but for the minute, we'll be straight back on, and Tiffany's going to do some welding. Do you want to do some welding? I'll give you the little massy you've got.
You might got archive.
Yeah, we're going to do it outside there. We're going to do it.
Archive, Dad.
No, we'll put a mask on it.
You haven't got a mask to do
Well, it gives you archive. Yeah, right, okay. All right, okay, well, look, we'll find a mask. And we'll find a mask, and is the bin's empty by any chance?
No.
Okay. So, all right. I don't know what Tiffany. Look, under there, looks more crap. Under there, look. Underneath the car.
Yeah, well, I didn't sign up for going underneath the car.
I know. Well, I didn't sign. Well, you did because you went under the car. Right. Anyway, so look, we'll leave it there, and we'll say that's just a video of tidiation, and we're going to try and get the welder around this side and avoid doing any more damage. Bye for now.